Budget tech you may need. Starting with this $80 keyboard that feels like it could be a $200 build. This keyboard is one of the best keyboards I have ever tested. You're getting a gasket mounted 75% layout with hot swappable switches, south facing RGB, and a surprisingly solid aluminum frame for under $100. The stabilizers come pre-lubed and the typing sends deep right outside the box. And honestly, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Plus it has tri-mode connectivity so it can go Bluetooth, USB-C, or wireless. So it works just as well for gaming as it does for school or work. So do you want to add this F75 to your desk setup, or are you sticking with the board you already have? Let me know in the comments if you have more budget tech ideas just like this.